So I just saw an OctaFX copy trading ad with the claim that the $20 investment brought over $5,700 by just copying a master trader. For the avoidance of doubt, this is the ad. So you've seen the ad. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to go to my phone screen right now, download this app and do the exact same thing that was done in this app. And we are going to be seeing the results right here, right now. So we're going to be investing $20. And let's see if we are going to be making $5,700 just like OctaFX claimed in this ad, guys. This will help us come to the conclusion as to whether OctaFX is a scam or not. Right? If you have been seeing the many ads of OctaFX and you are wondering if this thing actually does work, we're going to be trying it out right now and you're going to be getting your answer right now in this video, guys. So let's go to my phone screen right now, download the OctaFX copy trading app and actually practicalize this thing live in this video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. Now that said, guys, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. Now, that's it, guys. Let's go to my screen right now and let's try and find out if OctaFX copy trading is actually legit or a scam. And let's go, guys. So I'm going to do exactly what was taught in the ad, right? So this is my my Play Store. If you're on the Apple device, just go to your own Apple Store. So this is the Play Store. I'm going to come here now and I find this app by typing OctaFX copy trading right here. I hit search and it's going to show me the app. Now what you need to do is to hit this place. It should show install. Then when you are done, enable it. So I'm going to hit enable right now. You know, I hit update to bring it up to date so that we'll make sure that there's nothing missing, that the app is up to date before we actually go ahead and try this. Okay, so this is loading up. Give it a while. Yo guys, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. And if you have used this app and you've made money with it, let me know in the comment section. Or there's anything that you don't agree with in this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make more videos or review more trading apps like this for you guys, just mention the name in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be more than willing to actually do that video for you guys. So this is installing right now. Let's just give it a while. Okay, so the installation is done. It says open, right? So I'm going to tap where it says open right here. I'm going to tap it. I hit open, and this is opening right now. So this is OctaFX copy trading, right? So right here, according to the ad, it's showing us master traders, right? This person has gained over 69%. You know, loss and profit. This amount. People copying him right now, over 1,500 persons. Commission is 29%, and yeah, okay. Commission is 29%, right? So this other guy, he hides return. 6 persons are copying him now. This is his gain so far. This is his profit and loss. Then this is his commission. This is his commission right here, right? Now the third guy, Fazal Remy, right? This is his gain, right? Profit and loss. This is people copying him. And this is his commission, 29% commission. That's what he pays out, right? So what I'm going to do right now is actually choose one of these people right here to copy, right? So let's say I want to copy the first person right here. He's a high achiever, right? I click on it. So it's going to give us a summary of the trades that this person has done. So this is everything that we showed before. These are people copying him, over 1,500% copying him, and of course it's increasing. Again, 75.69%, right? Let me come down here and okay, so let us copy this guy. So what's here in trades? Okay, these are trades that he has done, and I see that he's winning almost everything. These ones are green are the ones he won, I believe. The one this one he lost, this one he won, this he won, this he won, this he won, this, right? And you see that he's actually winning more than he's losing, which is a good thing. Everything is green. Most things is green actually here right now. So I'm gonna go back to summary and hit setup copying. I want to copy this guy right now. So I say hit setup copying. And remember, guys, the ad said you can use $20 to actually make $5,000, right? So let's do that right now. I say I have a profile, log me in, because I already have an account. I'm going to say I have a profile, log me in. But if you don't have an account, you need to click on this sign up here. Click on this sign up button right here and actually set up an account for yourself. So sign up, put in your first name here, first name, your last name, your email address goes in here, your password, then tick this box. And of course, click on this place, open account, right? That's all you need to do to actually set up your account. If you want me to make a more detailed video showing you how to set up your account, let me know in the comment section. Of course, I'm going to be considering making that video for you guys. But for somebody like me now who already have an account, what I'm going to do is to come here and type sign in at the bottom of my screen, right? I type sign in, right? I'm going to put in my email address here and my password, actually log in and get this started, right? I'm going to come here and try to figure this out, right? I'm going to come here, okay? Come here and go to copier area, then come to the bottom and click on this icon here. So once we come here, we see all the masters, supposed master that we can copy, right? So this guy is number one guy is a high achiever. This guy is an expert, high achiever. I'm not sure I know what this means because the ad didn't tell us what these things mean. So I'm just going to come here and go to, let me find somebody to copy now. Who do I copy? Let me copy the trustable trader. It's a high achiever and commission is free. Right, so 18%. This guy, his gain is 20%. Let me copy Fazal. His gain is 20%. This guy here, right? I think he has more gain than the other guys. So let me copy him instead. So I'm going to come here and go to and tap on him. Right, it's going to show the summary of he's an expert. He's his equity, commissions, with us. Contact at WhatsApp. You can contact me on WhatsApp. You're right. Okay, this is good. And this is his Telegram channel and YouTube channel and everything. So it seems like a very well known person. At least he's not hiding his identity. You know, his phone number is here. WhatsApp. He has his Telegram channel and his YouTube channel right here. Right. Profit and loss. Okay. This is good. This looks like somebody we can copy right now. So let me just hit copy at the bottom of my screen. Copy here. I hit copy, right? And this is it right here. So I'm not sure what this means because he's telling me that the total I can do right now is $119, right? I'm looking for the one I can do for $20, which is what the app suggested, because I want to actually sacrifice that money. If I lose it, then well, we know that this doesn't work. If we actually make profit, then we know that this actually does work. So let me go to custom here. I'm going to come to custom and say times 119. I'm not sure I know what this means. Let me find somebody that is going to taking the $20 that I am willing and ready to actually risk. Let me find somebody. I don't even know how to find somebody. I saw somebody that had free commission. Maybe that's the trick. This trustable trader, right? Maybe that's the trick. So I'm just going to come here, go to setup copying. $25. Okay, this is fair. 25. I can spare $25, right? So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to actually fund my OctaFX account. Then we'll come back to trustable trader. So let me fund this account right now. I'm going to go back and come here and go to my wallet. Right, go to my wallet and go to deposit. Right, you need at least $25 to start a new investment. Right, so what I'm going to do right now is that you can pay with your Nigerian local banks. You can pay with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, whatever it is, whatever you want to use. You can actually use all this to pay. Right, so what I want to do right now, I want to make a deposit from Binance. Right, let me use Binance, or you can use your local bank account in Nigeria. But let me use Binance. I'm going to go with Tether. This, right, I'm going to go with this and actually transfer funds from Binance into this. Minimum deposit is 50. Oh, the minimum deposit is 50. No, I don't want to do 50. Let's try this. Minimum deposit is 50. Let's try Nigerian local banks. Minimum deposit 15,000 naira. Okay, that's fine. So let me make the deposit right now. I'm gonna come here and so I want to deposit. Let me deposit 20,000 naira. Right, 20,000 naira. Choose my bank. My bank is let me use Guaranteed Trust Bank. I'm gonna hit I understand here. Right, mobile transaction, online banking. So they said I should make a transfer of 20,000 to this account showing right here. This account information showing right here. So I'm going to go to my banking app and make the transfer right now. Then I come back to this app. Okay, so it says transaction successful. I've done the transfer. I'm going to download the receipt of this transfer. Okay, so I click on next, right? I click on next, and I come here. It brings me here. So it's asking me where I send the money from. So GT bank name. I'm going to put the account number here. Use the account number where I send the money from. Date of payment, today's date. Speed up your request. I'm going to upload the proof of payment. Click here. Then I'm going to find this from my phone. So this is the proof of payment here. I'm going to tap it and it's uploaded, right? So I'm going to come here and hit submit request at the bottom of my screen. I hit submit request. It says deposit in progress. We now review your deposit request. We will process your request within 1 to 3 hours, Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday requests are queued. Oh, Saturday and Sunday requests are queued on Monday morning. Okay, I'm going to hit got it. So that's all I need to do, right? That's all I need to do. So I deposited 20,000 naira and it's going to reflect in my balance once it's approved. So I just got this email from OctaFX right here, and it says, the email says the money has been added to your wallet. Transfer details is below, right? And the amount was this. Remember, this amount we sent, you know? So come down here. Okay, beautiful. So let's go back to our OctaFX app, which is this right here. And you see my balance is now $29.41. All right. So let's go back to our copy trading. Go to copier area, yeah, and click on this item below here. Okay, I'm gonna tap it. Okay, so I'm gonna come down and look at the person you're trying to copy, trustable trader, right? So I'm gonna tap his name, and the summary is gonna show up here. I'm gonna tap set up copy trading right here. I'm going to tap it here. This is loading up here. So times 1, $25, and I have a balance of $29. So this should work. So I'm going to come here and hit start copying. Right. I'm going to hit start copying at the bottom of my screen. And this is loading up right now. Let's give it a while. And okay. So it says your investment, summary, trades, options, and everything. So I don't think there's anything any other thing I need to do. Leverage is 1 to 500, bonus 0.00, balance, equity. Okay, so this is everything. I think this is all that we need to do. So we need to just chill and wait for this guy to start trading, so that his trade will be copied for us eventually, automatically. And at the end of this trade, you are going to be knowing exactly what has happened and what has not happened. Now, going through trustable trader, you see that he's a high achiever, right? He's a high achiever. He has an equity of $35, right? With us, 123 days, commission 30%. What else? People copying him right now, 1,345. His gain is 18.53%. So profit and loss, over $2,000. And okay, so yeah, I guess this is it, right? So we are done. So what I'm gonna do right now is to chill and wait for trustable trader to actually maybe make money for us or lose our money. So whatever happens, you're going to be seeing the results. So if you've gotten any value from this video, before we get to the results, right? If you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you to smash the like button if you've not done that. That's very important. Now, and after you've done that, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel. And most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. And feel free to go around my channel. I have lots of amazing videos centered around making money online. You know, these are things that I've tried myself. Because what I basically do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same results. Right, so that's it, guys. Let's take a look at the results. Guess what, guys? The results are in, right? The results are in. So I'm gonna go back to copier area, right? Copier area. This is what we copied, right? And this is the amount that we started with. This right here, this is what we started with, right? Yeah. So let's take a look at how this trustable trader has done for us. So I'm just gonna come back here and come here or come to the bottom right here and select this place. Right, this is all the traders that you can copy right now. So I'm going to select here, right, to look at what has been done for us. I'm going to click on it, and you see the first trade that this guy did, he actually won this trade and he made $0.53, almost $1 for us. The second trade, he made this one for us. Then suddenly he started losing. lost, right? Lost. Let's go up and see what's going on. So lost, right? He started losing, right? Started losing, right? Lost. So he lost everything. So how much do we have left right here? I'm gonna come back here and go to wallet. I have just $4.41 remaining. So my money is gone completely. My money is gone, right? You know, my money is gone completely. If you actually made money with OctaFX doing this, let me know in the comment section, right? Or if you actually want to try it out yourself and find out the result you're going to be getting. I'm not sure your result is going to be any different from mine, right? But of course, go ahead and try it out and let us know in the comment section what your results are, right? So from this conclusion, I can tell you that OctaFX is not what it is. A complete scam, right? So just like the last video I made, people that have actually said do this and do that and do this and do that, that this is your fault and everything, right? I just tried it again and it's the same thing, right? This is the investment right here. You know, I deposited 20,000 naira, which amounted to something around here. So I invested this and I lost all this money, right? I have just $4.41 pending right here, right now. I don't even know what I want to do with this money. So I probably have to copy another trade if it's enough. It shouldn't be enough. It shouldn't be. If it's enough, I just copy it and let them take the money completely, right? Because of course I'm not trying this ever again. I just did this. I suspect that this is what the result is going to be. I just did it just to help you guys, you know, get an insight so that you don't go here and lose your money. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification button. And of course, click the share button and share the video with your friends, right? Put it on your WhatsApp status, you know, share to your friends on WhatsApp, share to a different WhatsApp group, share it on your forums, you know, on Telegram channel, Telegram groups that you belong, Facebook groups, share it everywhere, you know, to create awareness about this, right? So if you actually want to learn how to make money online, right, I have lots and lots of amazing videos showing you guys exactly how to do that. And my best approach is affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing is actually the best way to make money online, and I have a link showing on your screen right now. So click on it and actually watch my videos on affiliate marketing to find out how to make legit and real money on the internet. So until I see my next video, guys, keep putting and don't forget that cheer out. Does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.